Hi, it's Naomi here, and today I'm going to explain to you exactly how to measure for your roof lantern blinds. It's actually really straightforward once you know what you're doing. Now, step one, you need to decide exactly where in the recess you want your blind to sit. Take a good look and pick your spot. Once you've decided, grab a pencil and mark that position clearly. This is super important because all your measurements need to come from this exact same point. Right, now for the actual measuring, I'm going to show you the easiest method first. We call it the recess method. You're going to measure the width in 3 different places across your opening. Why 3? Well, no opening is perfectly square, so we need to account for any variations. Measure from wall to wall with no gaps. This gives us what we call your recess size. Do exactly the same thing for the length. 3 measurements down the opening. Again, wall to wall, no deductions. Write down all 6 measurements in millimeters. Don't worry about doing any calculations yourself. Here's what we do on our end. We take your smallest width measurement and knock 5 millimeters off it. We do the same with your smallest length measurement, taking off another 5 millimeters. This ensures your blind fits perfectly in the opening and leaves room for the blind to expand and contract in the changes in temperature in your roof space. Don't worry, any gaps can be filled with caulk or trim. Now, there is an alternative way if you prefer to be in complete control. You can give us the exact size you want your blind to be. Work out precisely the width and length you want the blind to be, and when you're ordering on our website, you'll need to choose exact size from the measurement type drop-down menu. We'll make your blind to those exact dimensions with absolutely no adjustments. So which method should you choose? Most people go for the recess method, letting us handle deductions. Before you place your order, make sure you've got all your measurements written down clearly and double check everything. Remember, we make your blind exactly to the specifications you give us, so accuracy is key, and that's it. Really not as complicated as it first seems, is it? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for listening and enjoy your new roof lantern blind.